In this video, let's explore Marketplace from Microsoft. Now, there's a site named as marketplace.microsoft.com. Basically, this website allows you to view different products, products under different categories, able to search for a marketplace with regards to products, professional services, industry, cloud partners. So I'll go through this entire website. But before than that, I'd like to point your attention to M365 Admin Center. Now, within M365 Admin Center, if I navigate to M365 Admin Center, you will find something called as a marketplace over here. Now, this marketplace basically allows you to find product and services available to buy directly from Microsoft. So, products like M365, Office 365, business apps, collaboration and communication. So you get various product suites. So this is like completely Microsoft. So Dynamics 365, D365 Sales Premium, Sales Insights, etc. So this is from M365 Admin Center. So if you want to buy that entire suite of products, you can go here and buy those products. Then we have Power Platform Admin Center. Now within Power Platform Admin Center, we have, if I navigate to say home, here I'll be able to see different environments. So I'll go to manage, and then here I'll be seeing different environments. Now here we have Dynamics 365 apps. So on top of the environment, you will be able to install various applications. So example would be, say, if I search for, say, maybe Copilot in M36 Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance, or Dataverse Accelerator app. So I select this, click three dots and click on install, and then it will ask me which environment you want that application to be installed, because we are in the Power Platform Admin Center, which is at the top. And then you select the environment, and then your application get installed within that specific environment. So this is Power Platform Admin Center based application. Then you navigate to uh, Microsoft Azure. So if I go into Microsoft Azure, so this is Microsoft Azure, I go into Marketplace. Now from here, you'll be able to do the transaction on various Azure based services. Now it includes everything. It includes operating system, it includes SQL Server, it includes your virtual machines, it includes subscription Visual Studio. So as you see over here, you can search for the service provider, you can search for a uh, say private marketplace. You can, like, say, take for example, if you want to buy this Windows Server virtual machine, so you can just click on create, and then you can specify which version do you want, and then it will be installed within your Azure environment. So there are many things over here. So in analytics, you get 2800 components. In security, you get 3369. Then IT and management too. So as you see over here, these are like the different categories. So there's Internet of Things, there's media, and then there is DevOps. So these are the different places which you can navigate to. Now this is specifically to for Azure. Okay, so any Azure IaaS, so PaaS based component, IaaS based component, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Now this one, Microsoft Marketplace, now this one has, like, Microsoft has integrated most of the components related to various technologies within this site. Now if you see in the top, you get product categories, industries, and partners. Now what you need to do is, like, within your M365 tenant or Power Platform based tenant, log in. Now I've already logged in using my tenant, and I can see that I've logged in. I can view my tenant, and then if I click on view all orders in Admin Center, it will take me to admin.cloud.microsoft, and then here again it will, you will be landed in the page whereby you can actually see what all items you have purchased. So these are the items which I have currently. Now, from a product perspective, I can see I have a selection for Azure, M365, Power Platform, Dynamics 365, and specifically SaaS, Software as a Service. I can also see the free apps and the trial apps for SaaS, but this one is from Microsoft partner. So let's open this free apps. So let me go over here, SaaS, see all free apps. So these are the free apps which are currently available for me to test. Now you might see various button over here, get it now. Okay, And here I can see get it now. For some, get it now is disabled because this is not specifically available within your region. So here all the button which I can see is get it now, so I click on it, and then I'll be able to test this particular uh, product or a service. Now on the left hand side, you have an option like, say, if you're specifically looking for M365, and if I'm specifically looking for SharePoint based products, I can go here. I can check over here. There is clarity, there is QR code for SharePoint, event timeline. So there are many components which you can click on get it now. And it is, they have also mentioned whether it's free or whether it's paid, or you can just inquire about it. And also the ratings are provided depending on which organization has done and how much they have sold from the marketplace. Now if I go to Dynamics 365, let me go into, say project operations. So if I go to project operations, I'll be able to see various component. Now you see there is something called as a get it now, and then there is buy now. So get it now, well, it's a free component, but then buy now, if you go over here, then I think it will be taking you to some different page, and then you need to process that transaction. So you get it now button, buy now, and then you have a direct button called as install as well. So you can directly install, it's a free trial, and you can go ahead and install those component. And you might see some button whereby it may ask you to contact the partner provider as well. So these are the different ways through which you can navigate. Now, if you are keen in knowing from an industry perspective and not from a technology perspective, like whatever I've shown over here is Azure, Dynamics 365, M365 Power Platform. But then if I want to seek some information with regards to a category, so I'll say I want to check something from a customer service, knowledge, and case management. So I select this, and then again I get that same option. So send customer voice survey from Dynamics. Now this is specifically from Microsoft. So if I click on get it now, then it will ask me to confirm some details. It will sign you in if you're not signed in, and then you click on get it now. If it is from a third party system, like say this one, Dynamica Lab, I'll click on get it now. Again it will ask you for same confirmation, but then the terms of use and privacy policy will be specific to that organization. So that's how you can install this particular application. And again there are like multiple categories like mixed reality, intra id, media, marketing, etc. From an industry perspective, if you're looking for something for energy and resources, you can click over here, and you'll be able to see various application. Now in energy and resources, I don't see anything specific to knowledge and case management, so maybe I just need to remove or clear all the filters. Now if I remove and clear all the filters, I'll be able to see all the applications specific to that category. Now you can also search from a publisher perspective, like you do you want Microsoft based solutions or partner developed solutions. So I'll say, oh, I'll stick with Microsoft, and then all the component, like if you see SQL database, now you can get a SQL database. So I'll click on get it now, and maybe let me click on get it now. So then it will take you to the Azure portal. Now remember the first time I showed you Azure portal marketplace, so it will take you to portal.azure.com, and then it will ask you to sign in. So let me go back. Yeah. So this is how basically you can search. You can even search for a filter, or now this is about products. So you can see various products which you can search for in the marketplace. Then there are various categories which I just explained to you. See, these are all like available within the menu for you to search for a specific category. You can also search by industry, so like cloud for financial services, healthcare, retail, sustainability, and not for profit. And you can also search by various industry as well. Other thing, cool thing, like if you just want some consulting services, then you can click on partners, and then from here you can actually see partners by solution type, solution partner designation, environmental, social, and governance. Now, so take for example, if I want to search for some partner, but then I want the Microsoft partner to have some sort of a partner designation of say business application. So I'll click on it, and then on the left hand side you will be able to see the location. So I'll click on it location, and I'll say I don't want to search for United States, but then either you search for Australia or use my location. So I'll click on apply, and then all the partners in Australia will get loaded within the system. And then you will be able to see all the organization. You can sort by best match, most responsive, and nearest to you. And then these are some of the partners within the Microsoft ecosystem, which are who are based out of Australia. And now if you want to search for an organization, if you're not able to find in that huge list, you can always go ahead and search for the marketplace from a partner perspective. Now you select partner, and I search for some company, so I'll just type in SOCO, and then it will start searching, and then I can see that, okay, this company, I found this organization. Now I want to give some work to this organization, or do some inquiry, and I can even see for a specific organization, which location does they operate in, also what do they specialize in, what is the partner designation, what is the partner expertise, and some additional information. And then I can just go ahead and contact that particular organization. So overall, this particular portal will help you find the product, find the service, find the product or service, take a trial of it, buy the application, buy the product, buy the suite, and also search for partners, and look for some services which you want within your organization to extend either M365 or Power Platform or Dynamics 365, or maybe add a component within your Azure infrastructure. So that's it, folks. This is all about Microsoft Marketplace, which is uh, like like a combination of all this product categories and industries and partners in one umbrella. Thanks for watching.